love the kids section. This better fit me. Let's pray. Guys, whose kid wants this? This is so cute. Up until this point, I didn't find anything. This is the cart right now. I am overwhelmed. Guys, someone donated their whole collection of Rock & Republic jeans. Like, first of all, these were literally just like peeking out of the jeans section, so I ran, I snatched. And so, you know what, let's look through a little more. Another one. Another one. Oh, hold up. And another one. And these are bedazzled. Hi guys, so I woke up an hour ago maybe, and it's currently probably 2 p.m. and I look like this, so let me make myself pretty.
Where is the beautiful girl?
My granddaughter, Amelia.
She is gorgeous.
This is unacceptable, bitch.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
So first and foremost, we're gonna ignore the nail situation.
Yes, bitch! Yes! You ain't never did it like that.
But let's get right into it. So basically, I went thrifting, I think, 4 times in the last 2 weeks. So we're gonna do a little collective haul. I tried vlogging my thrifting, like, in the store. But I don't think I got more than, like, 2 clips of one time I went. So I don't really know if there's, like, anything preceding this clip of, like, me shopping. But let's just get into the haul. So, the first thrift store I went to, this is all, like, different days. I'll explain. This is day 1 of thrifting. Okay, so my sister was thrifting with her friend, and then I went a little bit later. And I didn't find anything, but they found this, and they gave it to me. It's, like, this Victoria's Secret pink limited edition. On the inside, it says pink. So, she's really stunning and reminds me of a jacket I had when I was 6 years old. That was leopard print, except mine was from Walmart. Okay, day 2 of thrifting. So, this is something where, like, I wouldn't usually buy, but I just saw a vision. A little off the shoulder with a little skirt. I thought that'd be really cute. I actually have to wear that soon, quickly, because the weather, like, it got really cold and then it got kind of, like, warm. So the type of fall we're having right now is, like, how I imagine California fall, where it's, like I wear this, let's say, like, a little sweater, a little vest, and, like, a little skirt. And, like, no tights are needed. And some boots, you know, some fur boots, and then it's just super cute. And you're not freezing, but it's, like, you can't wear this in the summer. So, yeah, I feel like in Canada, we don't really get that type of fall, and we're getting it right now. And people are complaining that it's not cold, but I'm like, shh. I like this, okay? This is perfect for me. So, next I got these Hello Kitty PJs. I don't know where I was going with that rant, but these PJ pants. And then, I don't even want to, like, show the skirt because it didn't fit me. I was being, I don't know, delusional. Wouldn't that be so cute if it did? Next, this. I wish I had filmed, like, my reaction to this. But, this was actually, okay, so first when I got to the thrift store, I went through a few aisles and I found literally nothing. Okay, as I'm going to the jeans, I see, like, I don't even know which one anymore because I found so many of these, but Rock & Republic, I love their jeans. I saw, like, one pair, like, peeking out, like I saw, so I ran, snatched. And when you see something good, you have to look through to see if there's more, like, more similar ones, whatever. So I found a few. I found these, and they flare. These, hello, that is so cute with the little sparkle, and then they flare. And then what are these? These are, oh, still Rock & Republic. So 3 of them. And then I found these cute bongo jeans. Like, can you see the print? I think that's adorable. And then this is what the bottoms look like. A lot of these actually don't fit me. Because the thing is, I buy whatever and then I see if it fits me. And with jeans, usually I can make it work. But a lot of these are actually just too long. So, next I got this Playboy sleeping shirt. It's pink. I love it. Now this dress. Okay, I was imagining like Blair Waldorf season 1 moment. And I feel like it didn't look right on me, but it's really cute. And then this angel's skirt. It like, oh my god, I like tried it on and I really like the like skirt length where it like goes to your knees, but I don't know if I could pull that off. Next, so this is, wait, day 1, day 2. I think this is day 3 of thrifting. And this isn't like in a row, it's just like spaced out within the last few weeks. Okay, so every thrift store I showed you guys so far, in case anyone wanted to know, was Value Village. And now, this is day 3, but for this is like so much explaining that I think might not be needed. But for this thrifting day, I actually went to 3 stores, but I can't remember which one's which, but I'll try to remember for you guys. So, this is like a little seductions, I don't know what you would call this type of shirt, but you like button it, and then it has the, I can't really hold it up because it's not buttoned, but it's really cute, and it reminds me of like those like horror game protagonist outfits people make that are super cute. And then also from Talise. Did I even say that first shirt was Talise? Anyways, this is Talise, day 3. This Harley Davidson shirt, super cute, and that's the back. And then this. I'm like looking at them before showing you guys because I honestly forgot what I bought. This Seductions top. I love the rhinestones, and the print is really gorgeous. And then this sequins top. Okay, so far, I think everything I just showed you was Talise. And then I went to Goodwill, and the only thing I found was this Penny Lane top. It's really pretty. This, I don't know what game I'm thinking of, but there's a game I played as a kid. It was like a fashion game, and this top was in there. I'm like so sure of it, and I wanted it, but it was probably expensive. Okay, and then, is this right? I think it is right. And then same day I went to Value Village, and let me tell you, first, the utter disappointment. I see like a juicy looking tag, run, pull, like I look, or like I'm looking through it, whatever, and it was like a fake Juicy sweater, and I was devastated. Like, it's so clearly fake. Like, the name didn't even say Juicy Couture. It was like some weird take on it. Anyways, so then I keep like looking through everything, and then I did find a Juicy sweater, but the chase zipper is broken. Can you believe that? Can you believe how sad that is? It's so sad. Okay, last thrift day. So this should be like day 4. And this was also all one store. And also for a lot of these thrift hauls, I was actually in a rush. So I kind of had to like run through and like not really get much. But okay. So I really like True Religion jeans, but these are like high-waisted, which isn't really my vibe. So we'll see. And then this is the same Value Village where I got all those Rock and Republic jeans. Oh, they had more. They had more. And then these are the bottoms. And then there's these ones. I really like the pockets. And then I'm like showing you guys like all like the full length of the pants, but they all kind of look like that. And lastly, this is the last thing of the haul, last thing of that thrifting day, I got these diesel jeans. So a lot of these I haven't tried on yet, so I'm going to try on, see how I feel about them. But I don't think I'm forgetting. I am forgetting something. 1 second. Look at this gorgeous Rampage bag with the tags. And the interior is hot pink. You can't tell me this isn't the most like.
Have you ever had a dream that you had
Perfect school bag. Like, this can fit everything. Your computer, your little pouches. Like, this is the perfect size for school. So out of everything, my favorite finds, I don't know. I really love this bag. To be honest, it's hard for me to pick like my favorite things when I go shopping, because it's like, it's more when I wear it and I style it, then I feel the item. Like I know, like if I'm wearing it and I feel how I feel throughout the day, I see like how many ways I can style it, and that's what makes me determine how much I love a piece. So when I go thrifting, I can't really be like, this is my favorite thing I bought, if that makes sense. Because there's things I'll buy and I won't love, and then I style it and I'm like,
Bitch, what? Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
you know what I mean? So anyways, that's the haul, my beautiful angels.